Hello, so in this lesson, we are going to do 2D figure 1. Now, we are going to start at 0, comma 0. This is your guide. Okay, let's begin. Wait, let me close these things first. Okay, there you go. Let's type in PO in your command line. Press enter. Now, type in the coordinates 0, comma 0, enter. That's your point. Again, if it doesn't show, just type in DDP type. That should give you your point style window, and then select whatever point you want. And then click on OK. Next, we are going to make a line. So that is L, then enter. Now, specify first point. I'm going to click on the node. So you'll notice that I can't really snap on the node, right? So to do that, turn on your object snap here in your status bar and make sure that the node is selected. Okay, so let's do that again. So I don't know if you can see it, but well, I can feel it that it's already snapping. Okay, click on your node. And then let's make our lines completely straight by clicking on your ortho mode. So this one, again on your status bar. So this keeps your lines completely orthogonal or completely straight. Type in 6, that is 6 units going right, 2 units going up, and then now there are two ways to make this diagonal line. We can do that by doing the longer version first. I'll show you. So that is 6 minus 4. That would give you 2, right? 2 going to the left, and then 2 going up. Let's continue. 4-meter line going left, and then close, or 4 meters going down. Now let's make a diagonal line by clicking in the 2 points. It's for this part. Okay. Now in AutoCAD, there are many ways to do a figure. So this is the longer version. Now let's make the shorter version, which is this one. Now we ended up at here, right? So let's continue. Now I'm gonna start here at the starting point, and then I'm gonna go up 4 meters up. I'm just following the guide. 4, enter. 4 again, press enter, and then close. Oh, wait, give me a second. You have to snap at the end point. This is your end point. Okay, now in AutoCAD, the fewer clicks, the fewer commands, the faster you are. That's just given. Now, we are done with this figure. With the outline. So let's select all the lines. Now, what do we do next? Let's type in join. That is JOIN in your command line. I want to join all of my lines. Okay, so see the difference now? I can click it all in at once. It means it's already a single polyline or it's a plane now. Okay, so now we are going to do all the 2 points. So that is PO. First point from the left is x value is 1, y value is 2.5. Okay, that's your first point. Next point is you can just use your spacebar to reactivate your last command, like so, and then type in, that would be 1 plus 2, that's 3. Y value is 1.5. That's your point. Now let's just do the circles. Again, that is C. Type it in your command line. Spacebar or enter to activate, and then click on the node as your center point. Specify center point of circle. I'm done clicking it. Now check out the radius. It's 0.5. Type in 0.5 in your command line. Now again, to do that, you can reactivate your last command by pressing in enter or spacebar, or you can also use your modifying commands like copy to make it shorter. I mean easier, but I haven't introduced modifying commands yet. Okay, so let's just press enter. Click on this again. Radius is 0.5. Enter. Now let's make another circle. Click on the node. Now take note that the diameter is given. So press this on your command line, or you can type in D and then enter. Okay, so that should give you a 2 diameter circle. Okay, that's it. You are done. It's that easy. Now I'm gonna make another video for the next 2D figure. You're gonna do both for your first exercise. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.